Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Energy and this is 50 Energy. Well, as you all know, or should know by now, I am a maker of things. And right now, I am using the natural sunlight that's here in one of our workrooms. And I've been working on lock adornments. Yes, adornments to put on locks, hence the faux locks. Yeah, you can catch my video when I put it in. Okay, this one has a clip on it. Okay, and a clay bead that I made. Clay beads. And yeah, so simple enough, easy to wear, you know. And for those other folks, if you need it to hold other things, great, you know, and it could be hooked on whatever you like. It don't have to be just for your hair, but nonetheless, you know, got this piece here. And I'm just trying them out. And let me know what you think down in the comments. Oh, that sun is giving it to us today, y'all. Even though it's extremely cold outside. But thank you for all those who makes the warmth possible. These are one of the clay beads that I've made. And I'll be doing a tutorial on that. So they simply just push through, bink, and you're good. Let's see, let's do a colorful one. Got a little twist in it and everything. And some of them I put holes in it so you can go ahead and apply different little pieces on it for yourself. Like if you got stones, things like that you would like. Okay, so some of these might be a little too thin for these locks that I got on. But that's where you would use one of those threaders that you would use when you're adding irregular beads on your hair. And anybody that works with beads knows what I'm talking about. Okay, so I got a little bit stuck out, think. Yeah. And I have one of my sisters, once she got her clay beads, she's never taken them out her head. I tell her she could, you know, it's no big deal, but she get them washed in. And by them being clay, you know, it's not a problem. That type of situation. So yeah, here we go. Let's see. I got this beautiful one right here. Stick it on. She's a little thicker, so I would probably have to put 2 locks on with that one. So these are those. And like I said, I have a whole host of them, different kinds, you know. So just throwing them in. Yeah, that's something you should be sewing up. You know, I'm making a video. But this is 50 Energy, and it's just a documentation of how things go in our lifestyle and how we rolling out here in these days and times, because there's a lot going on in the world today, it appears, you know. But what's going on in your world? Because that's what's really important, you know. Getting distracted by other people's issues and, you know, platforms and policies and politics and stuff like that. And what's the point, you know? So this one I would need a threader because it's a nice long one. Let's see, I got this black and white one. Let's try this one. Bink. Yep, she slides right on through, no problem. Bink. Yeah. So there you go. Lock jewelry. Let's try this one on. Okay. And this one's done with a bead, a wired wrap, and some feathers. We're going to go ahead and add that right there. And it slides right through that clay bead. Bink. And there you go. Yeah, boy. So, again, just sitting here playing, making, enjoying myself. So, if you like the content, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace and love, y'all. Wholeness.